Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Workshop Studios. So today's challenge is right up there. Can you see those plants growing out of the gutter? I was out here doing some other work, and I noticed that up there. And I thought, wow, we got to get to that, because a plugged gutter is not a good thing. The water will stand up there and rot the wood, so we got to get that stuff out of there. But it happens. You might remember that we were over here at this corner cutting all that big stuff down there, and that was what was hanging over that corner up there, right up there. So let's get to that, but I wanted to call in my friend Handyman Hank for this one, because that's more of a handyman thing than it is a gardening thing. So let's get Handyman in here. Morning, everybody. Handyman Hank here. So Gus asked me to look at that gutter up there, and I think we've got a way to fix that. But I've got something that I want to show you that I kind of put together. You may have seen some people who like to clean those gutters without getting up on a high ladder. So I put something together myself that might be kind of interesting for you to try. Let me show you. So what I did was I took regular old 3/4 PVC. That's this right here. And I took a 10-foot length of it, and then I just put these fittings on the end. So there's a right angle fitting, there's a 45-degree fitting, and then down here I put a hose end fitting. You can buy all these at the big box stores. So I've put a high pressure nozzle on the end of that. And what that allows me to do is to put this down into the gutter without having to get up on a ladder. And I can blow all of that sort of high pressure wash all of that stuff out of the gutter. So that is what we're going to try to do today. Now the other end of it, I'll show you, is nothing fancy. It's just, this is a hose end as well. So I can put the regular hose on there, turn it on, and then we'll start to get that stuff out of there. So the first thing we're going to do is just make sure that that drain pipe is open. So we've got the nozzle stuck straight in there, and we see pretty good flow coming out. You can see all the material that's building up there. So that's good. We've got good flow out, and now we need to just keep washing that stuff down. of stuff going in there. And then all of this was in there. See that big kind of pile of leaves and sticks and all kinds of stuff. So it's nice and clean now. And I didn't get on the ladder. Since it's middle of August, it was quite refreshing. All right, good luck with your gutter projects.